أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum. This is Qari Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Al-Furqan Ul Hakeem Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. My dear viewers, my dear students, my dear teachers, may I introduce Hamza Awan from America. How are you, beta Hamza?
I'm good, alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah. In which grade do you study in America? Ninth. Okay, mashallah. And which subject do you like to study and you like to read?
Social studies.
Social study. Okay, mashallah. What's your favorite color?
Green.
Green. And what's your favorite dish?
Biryani.
Okay, nice. Very good. Karachi biryani or Lahori biryani? Which kind
Karachi.
of? Karachi. Okay, mashallah. Very good. And where do you live in city in America?
Texas.
Okay, mashallah, very good. Glad to know. And are you ready to read dua?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to share dua in front of you. Okay, beta, can you see this dua?
Yes.
Okay, now read with the ta'awuz and tasmiyah, read dua.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما.
Okay, Hamza, listen, be carefully, and you will stretch over there. وَيَسِّرْ لِي, because this is a mad munfasil here, and there is a short mad at the top. So you will stretch a little bit. Li, and then ri, this is a ya madda, and there were three madda letters: alif madda, ya madda, and waw madda. And وَحَلُّلْ عُقْدَةً مِّن لِسَانِي يَفْقَهُ قَوْلِي. This is a qalqala letter, and you make idgham here. Tam min lisani yafqahu qawli. And after complete this dua, you will recite 3 times. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now I'm going to read Urdu translation. Then you will read English. परवरदिगार मेरा सीना खोल दे और मेरे काम को मेरे लिए आसान कर दे और मेरी जुबान की गिरा सुलझा दे ताकि लोग मेरी बात समझ सकें. Say आमीन. Okay beta, now read dua.
Mustafa said, my Lord, open up for me my chest, be easy for me my chest, and untie the knot from my fingers that they may understand my speech. What teeny?
What teeny? And you will read with the extra stress, okay, because ta has tashdid sign, curve sign, and you will read this ta with the extra stress. What teeny? And the waqfan you will read what teen. What teen. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Bazita bitta zabaqaf taq wa kharijwa bittaqwa.
Okay. And waqfan, how will you read?
Bittaqwa.
Bittaqwa. Okay, nice. Read this one.
Hamza zabar sa zabasa qaf zirqi fa bishbu as-saqibu.
Yes. And this is the alif also, okay? Hamza zabar sa ar, sa zabar alif, sa ar, sa ar, sa qaf zirqi ba peshbu qibu ar taqibu. Now read.
As-saqibu.
Yes. And waqfan, how will you read?
As-saqib.
Yes. At-taqib. And waqfan, when you stop at the last letter, ba peshgu would be changed into ba sakina, and this ba become qalqala letter, and they were 5 qalqala letters. Kutubu jaddin. So this ba become qalqala letter, echo sound bouncing letter. It become bouncing letter. Okay, and logically we put jazm sign on the top, and you will read as qibu, and waqfan you will read as-taqib. Read it.
as-saqib.
Okay, mashallah. Now read this one.
Sa zaba jim sad, jim zaba alif ja, jim tu zaba alif jan.
Jim tu zabat jan. Jim tu zabat jan. And in tanween, alif and ya you will not read. Okay, in tanween, and in this case you will not read this alif in tanween. Okay, alif and ya you will not read. You will read jan. Sajjajan. Sajjajan. And waqfan, how will you read?
Sajjaja.
Yes. Sajjaja. Sajjaja.
Sajjaja.
Yes. Okay, mashallah. Very good. Now read this one. Do spell out first and then straight. Read straight.
Mi pesh mu sin zabar kha, sakh kha zabar kha, ra zabar alif ra, ta tu zet tin, musakharatin.
Musakha. Musakha. Ra you will stretch a little bit because this is the alif madda here. Musakharatin. And waqfan, how will you read?
Musakharat.
Yes. Okay, now read this one.
Saddaqa.
Saddaqa. Saddaqa. Okay, why Sad and Qaf, they both have navy blue color? Because
they're heavy letters.
Yeah, they both have heavy letters. And why Dal has a red color? Because this is a calcula letter. Yes. Saddaqa. Saddaqa. Okay, repeat after me.
Saddaqa.
Yes, and waqfan, how will you read?
Saddaq.
Yes. Saddaq. Calcula letter, okay? Saddaqa.
Saddaqa.
Yes. Now read this one.
Ta zabat, ta sa zabat, da sa da kari zabat da, ta sa da.
Ta, swad, da, sad is a heavy letter. Dal is not heavy letter, okay? Ta zabat ta, and a sad zabat sa. Swad da, ta swad da. Now read.
Ta sad da,
Swad da.
ta sad da.
Yes. And this is a ya empty letter, okay? Motionless letter, and we will not read this ya. It is a empty letter. We will skip it. Is it clear? This ya we will not read.
Yes.
Yeah, because why didn't we read this ya? Because it is empty letter. There is no any movement on it. Okay. Now read next one. Read this one.
Hamza zabat dal ad da zabat da ra zabar ra jim zabat alif ja ta zeti ad darajati.
Ad-darajati. Okay. Ad. You will you make a little bit pause on the mushadda. Okay, the mushadda. Ad-darajati. Now read.
الدرجات.
Okay, and waqfan, how will you read?
الدرجات.
Yes, ad-darajat. Ad-darajat.
الدرجات.
Okay, read this one.
ميم زين ميم نون زبر دال ند دا زبر دا دا زبر ميم دم عين زين عي من الدمع.
Don't stretch I. Okay, don't stretch I. Ain zera I. Just you will read I. Minadam. Minadam'i. Minadam'i. Read it.
من الدمع.
Yes, next read.
والذاكرين.
Wadha. You will read very softly and with extra stress this zal. Wadhakirina.
والذاكرين.
And waqfan, how will you read?
والذاكرين.
MashaAllah. Very good. Okay, my dear viewers and my dear students, my dear teachers, and this is Hamza Awan from Texas, from America. So thank you very much, Hamza. Beta, please call your bro, Huzaifa.
Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Thank you. See you tomorrow.